Hello kids! Do you know that today we are going to make some of your favorite foods? And let's see which one we are drawing first. It's a donut. And now we are making one more food that is also everyone's favorite. It's a cupcake. The next food that we are drawing is made out of potatoes and it is fried. So I know you already know this one. Yes, it's French fries. Here we draw a bun which has got lettuce, some cheese and some meat. So it is a burger. Here we draw something which is very sweet and cold at the same time. Yes, it's ice cream. Our next drawing is a food which is full of flavors. So if you look at this, you already know that it's a slice of pizza. As you know, we are going to color all these pictures now. So keep watching the video.